So we were discussing another important topic, which was pregnancy. It's like a lot of things were done, the trimesters and these all things. Let's see what was happening. A little overview, then we'll move forward with our today's topic. First thing is the ovum and sperm. When they both get fused, they form zygote, which is also called as fertilized egg, which I'm not writing. I mentioned in other videos. Then zygote is simply when ovum from female comes and sperm from male comes. They form another structure called a zygote, which stay in the uterus for 9 months around. When they stay, they form a new child. Like new child is born from that unicellular structure to complex multicellular structure. Here forms a zygote, then blastocyst, another structure, then implantation will occur in the second week, then embryonic period will be there, then gastrulation which will occur in the third week. From third week till sixth week, what we will see, there will be heart formation is started. So because heart controls everything, so heart formation will be started. This is basically first trimester. Tri means 3, mister means months. So 1 to 3 months are called as first trimester. So here will be facial features. This means it will also form during the second month. Then C-shaped is like when the embryo, when zygote give a proper shape, and literally now we can say, yeah, that's a child of human being. Then C-shaped is formed. I hope it will be clear during the third month. So yes, here is, I hope it's clear. Then comes the second trimester. Tri means 3, mister means months. So from 4 to 6 months called as trimester. And here what we'll see, here we'll see fetal sex. That means now we can identify in the fourth month, you can identify by the ultrasound that is that testis. This means that will be male. If it's ovary, this means it will be female. So when we talk about the female, they can only provide 2 X. This means X means girl. When we talk about the Y means boy, and X means, this means when sperm goes in a body, goes in a female body, that's on the that sperm is that releasing X or Y. So here is that if X, this means a girl. If Y, it means boy. So, and this means if X is coming, of course girl, if female can only give X, and if from boy it's coming Y. Let's say it's from X, and from Y when we get X, this means girl will be formed, and from female X and from male Y. So then boy will be made. So I hope it will be clear. Then comes ears. This means hearing can also be started from the fourth month. Head, this means our head and the brain part is quite big, like 1 second of the body. Head in fourth month we can see head is the one part and entire body at the second part. This means head will be that much big. Then comes the fifth month, which is about rapid growth started. Internal organs will be formed. They will become mature. During the 6th month, we'll see there will be fingers and fingerprint will be started. Then comes the third trimester, which will occur from 7 to 9 months. So weight will be gained in 7 months. We'll see lungs will be formed. Fetus movement is like, we know head will try to come down so that it pass out very easily. Then comes yes, we were discussing one more important point, 40 to 38 weeks during the entire pregnancy. It's like 40 or 30 weeks. This means it's a normal condition. It can be when it comes with the height, it could be 18 20. It's normal. If it's more or less, this means it's a problem. When we talk about weight, it's like 6 to 9 pounds. It's a normal. So I hope it will be clear. So let's see today's topic. Now we'll see a little more detail of this one so that we understand it more nicely. Here we know we have vertebrates. Vertebrates, this means human would be formed by chordates, which simply have again 2 parts, notochord formation. Notochord, and here comes the neural tube formation. Jagu. So then this means neural tube formation would occur when. Then we'll see which organ occur in which one. So after this one, we'll see what happened during the first month, second month. So during first month, it's like the third week, heart formation or heart started. Then the second month, what will happen second month? There will be limbs formation, either that leg or the hands would be formed. Then comes the first trimester. This means organs, like third month simply all organs formed. Then the fourth, it's like even the embryo particular shape is also provided in this one, so we consider this as an embryo, not a fetus anymore, or not a human shape would be formed. That's called as fetus, by the way. Then comes fourth month, the same process will occur. Then here comes the fifth month. What will happen in fifth month? This means hair growth on the head start. Hair growth on the head get started, only head. Then comes the 6 month. In 6 months, what you'll see, there will be hair growth of all the parts, either that eyelashes, either that entire body, eyebrows, and everything like that. Then comes the 7 month. There will be formation of lungs. This means now finally a child can breathe, and that's all. 8 month is simply entire things will be proceeding, systems and these all. Then comes the 9 month, which is simply everything done, delivery process, fetus develop and ready for everything. So yes, here comes the end. But yes, now we need to see what's written in a book. So I need to add pictures. Let me just add it here. So here we only see the what is pregnancy written, then we'll come with the entire flow chart in the next video, hopefully. Then here comes pregnancy. What is that? Formation of zygote and sperm. Not zygote, but the formation. Pregnancy is simply formation of zygote by the help of ovum and sperm. So pregnancy, when a fertilized egg develops into a fetus. So this means pregnancy is a stage when ovum and these all things are done. But I was making you clear everything from basics. That's why I mentioned. Otherwise, fertilized egg, which is zygote, it is done. It has been formed. So what will do? It will develop into a fetus within the mother's uterus. It will remain in the uterus for mostly 9 months or 38 to 40 weeks. Then what will happen? The process of pregnancy begin with the fertilization. So fertilization of ovum and sperm will take place when a sperm penetrates and combine with an egg cell. So formation of zygote will occur, as I mentioned. Then the zygote that begins divide under several stages of development before it becomes a fetus. So the zygote will do such division and undergoes such stages. Then that stage will simply become a fetus. So I hope it's clear. Here's an activity which is extra reading material. So I don't find it as interesting. So you can read it. But I hope pregnancy in entire trimester, first trimester, second trimester, then the third trimester. Each trimester is of 3 months, either that from 1 to 3 months, then second from 4th to 6th, and last one from 7 to 9. So yes, I hope it will be clear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.